Tractor Supply, MMT. We have a short on it. We can tell you that in after hours it hit $87 and it's popped right back up here. There's 91.50. It was down here at $87. It was up here on the close today at 95.16. I'll give a little bit of guidance on it for you. As far as I am concerned, Tractor Supply dropped $8 to 87 following the earnings and guidance results. So there's going to be some downside pressure, and I will be happy to tell you that they beat by 2 cents. The ribs were in line. 2012 EPS is below consensus, revs below consensus. Now, here is part of their little shenanigan. Okay? Revenues rose 9.0% year to year to 1.07 billion versus the 10.7 billion consensus. Company raises fiscal 2003 PS guidance, but it is below consensus. So this is that little shim sham and these little gimmicks that are used in after hours. I never read anything so disgusting. In the same statement, raises EPS guidance but is below consensus. Company sees EPS at 363 to 369 versus 371 Capital IQ consensus estimates. Raises FY12 revs but remain below consensus on the bottom end of 461 to 4.65 billion versus 4.67 billion, from 4.85 to 4.65 billion. Look it, I've never seen such a shenanigan report in my life. So we'll monitor this short. It was at $87 in after hours. They there's a way to trade these off of the bottom and a way to sell into it, but there's going to be a lot of controversy. I'm going to have to hear a lot more about it because everything is below consensus, below, but we give a little bit of upside guidance, but it's below. Look it, that is the most ridiculous earnings report I have ever heard in my life. The way that they come out with some of this crap today. They need to be regulated in the way they can release these, as far as I'm concerned. And the thing about it is, we'll be taking a look at a few others in after hours, but that's the story on Tractor Supply.